Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Sparklight password if you've forgotten it. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, just type in sparklight.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website of Sparklight. Now just click on the login button at the top section and you will be taken into the login portal. Now from the login portal, you can click on I forgot my username if you have forgotten your username as well. In order to reset your password, simply click on I forgot my password. This will then take you into the next window in which you will first need to enter your username if you remember it. Then just enter the text that you see in the image below. Then click on the next button and then you will need to verify a security question. After doing so, you will be allowed to create your new password and then you can update it with your account. And once you have done this, you will be able to use your username with your newly set password to log into your account by simply entering it and clicking on the sign in button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Sparklight customer account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.